Hi, I'm Adriana, and today I'm going to show you a bit about how vibrato works on the violin. So, you've probably seen it before. It's that wobbly thing that a lot of violinists do with their fingers to achieve really nice sound. See how that finger is just... So first off, we're going to set our violins down, and you're just gonna pretend like you're playing an air violin. So your left hand's gonna be up here, level with where your fingerboard would be, and we're just going to pretend there's a big door right here, a big wooden door, and we're knocking on it because we really want to get in there. So we're just gonna keep this straight arm and move from this position forward. So knock, 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 knock. So what we're not going to do is we're not going to bring our hand towards our face like this.
No.
We're just going to keep this straight and just go forward. So once you've got a handle on that, you can practice it all the time, just around your house, on neighbors' doors, just in the air. And we're going to pick up our violin, and let's do A string, third finger. So just set that finger down, relaxed, everything should be really relaxed, and we're going to do that same motion. So knock, knock. So just be really aware of your wrist right here, make sure it's not coming in towards the violin ever at all, and just be conscious of that and make sure it's going forward. So now we're going to play that with the bow really, very slowly, and it's going to sound pretty funky when it's this slow. It's gonna... So it's getting that little wee-ow sound, and you want to keep practicing that really slowly. With a metronome, so that all your notes are really even and exact. And then once you've mastered that at that speed, we're going to bump it up and we're going to go... Then you're going to keep increasing the speed as you get more comfortable and a little faster. So keep practicing, starting with that knocking at the door motion. Just keep knocking at that door, and then you're going to put it to the violin and eventually pick up your bow. I hope this was a helpful practicing technique for vibrato, and hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye!